Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make a calendar in Google Docs. So it's manually just going to insert, sorry, you can type on the on and here, for example, I'm just going to insert select table and go to select 7 columns and then um, 6 rows. I'm just going to type the days. So I have been added, and then just going to make a center like we go, and just going to for A, C, and copy paste. Just going to change the month and just going to change the days of the that. So you can see this that here. So the first one and the Wednesday. So just going to change this 1, 2, 3, 4. So just remove here and so on. So that's how to make a calendar in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.